Hello students, good morning. In today's session, let's learn mental maths. The topic of today's session is Chapter 3, Comparing and Ordering Numbers. Students, as you have already learnt about the Indian place value chart and international place value chart in your previous classes, this chapter, Comparing and Ordering Numbers, will be easy for you. There will be 3 sections A, B and C in this chapter. Let me teach you one sum from each section and the rest of the sums you can do for your homework. Let's begin now. In the first section A, you are asked to write true or false. The first sum given here is the number 8 crore plus 50,000 plus 400 plus 6 is greater than 8 crore 50,000 416. Now listen carefully. The first number 8 crore plus 50,000 plus 400 plus 6, it is given in expanded form, and the second number 8 crore 50,000 416 is given in standard form. Students, first you change this expanded form into standard form so that you can easily identify which is greater, and later you can say whether it is true or false. I have taken the first sum separately. Here the first number, which is in expanded form, I have changed that into standard form. Now listen here. 8 crore plus 50,000 plus 400 plus 6. It is given here in expanded form and I have taken here into standard form. I have changed that into standard form, and the second number is 8 crore 50,000 416. Now we are asked to compare these two numbers. Among these two numbers, which one is greater? Look at the last 3 digits. Here 406 is given in the first number and 416 is given in the second number. So from this we come to know that the second number is greater than the first number. Therefore 8 crore 50,000 416 is greater than 8 crore 50,000 406. But what the question is asked is, the number 8 crore plus 50,000 plus 400 plus 6 is greater than 8 crore 50,000 416. But the question what it is given here is false. Therefore, we can write the answer as false. Students, the easiest way to read the number is by giving place values to each digits. We have already learnt how to give place values. We used to give place values from the right to the left. So you can give the place values as ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, and crore. If you give place values by using your pencil above the digit, it would be easier for you to easily read that number. Before getting into section B, let's know about the relationship between Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Here, 2 columns are given. One is Indian place value chart and the second one is international place value chart. Now, look at the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. These ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s are same in both the Indian and the international place value chart. The 100,000s in international place value chart will be equal to 1 lakh in Indian place value chart, and the 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs, and 10 million is equal to 1 crore, and 100 millions is equal to 10 crores. So students, Be clear with this Indian and international place value chart relationship. Now let's see the next section, B. Fill in the blanks. The first one is 1 lakh is equal to dash thousand. Students, just now we have learnt the relationship between Indian and international place value chart. So we know that 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So let's write that. You can do the remaining sums by yourself by looking at the relationship between Indian and international place value chart. Now let's see section C. What is given here is put greater than, lesser than or equal to in the circle. Here one side fully numbers are given, the opposite side of the numbers fully number names are given. We are asked to identify which one is greater. Let's first change the number names into numbers. That would be easier for us to identify which one is greater. I have taken the first sum separately. What is given here is 7,22,142 is the first number, and the second one which is given in number name, it is 7,22,124. At first we can change this number name into number so that we can identify which number is greater. Here I have changed the second number name into a number, that is 7,22,124. Now look at the first number and the second number. The first number is 7,22,142 and the second one is 7,22,124. Here the last three digits in the first number is 142 and the last three digits in the second number is 124. From this we come to know that 7,22,142 is greater than 7,22,124. Students, you can do the remaining sums for your homework. At first, change the number names into numbers so that it would be easier for you to identify which number is greater. Hope you understood this chapter. Have a good day. Thank you.